Okay, so in this video we're going to teach you how to make these cool Pokeballs out of a tennis ball, a red and white balloon, and just some black and white electrical tape. It's going to be fun. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do is grab a balloon. I'm starting off with the white balloon. And you don't want to cut it exactly in half, a little more than halfway. And this is going to wrap around the whole balloon. Try to get rid of any creases as you're wrapping it around the balloon. Like that. Then you take your red balloon and then you cut it again in. So this one's closer to the halfway mark because you want the red balloon not to go more than halfway. You can go just a tiny bit more than halfway on the tennis ball when you start wrapping it around. And you can go a little over, and what'll correct it is when we put the black electrical tape on it. So if you want to measure out how far you want, you can just roll the ball and measure the circumference. And then you want to thin out the black electrical tape. It's a little too thick, so cut it about 1/3 of the thickness. And cut a strip, and this strip you're going to be wrapping around the Pokeball. And that'll go in between the red and white part and separate it out. And that's where, any mistakes you made or any overlaps, that's where you can correct it. But again, you only have that narrow width as a margin of error. So just wrap it around, and here I'm kind of rushing, but take your time, make it look nice. And I like a little bit of overlap, I want a little under there. And then here you're making a circle, so again, cut a square out of the electrical tape and then just start going around it, making it as close to a circle as possible. That'll be, again, another part of the Pokeball, and put that right over where the two pieces of tape in the center overlap. So that's your black circle. Now you're going to take your white electrical tape and cut that again into a square, and then you're going to make this also into a circle. This one's going to be a little smaller circle, and after you put this on, you basically have your Pokeball all finished. Enjoy. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you have fun with your Pokeballs. Valen, what do you have to say to the audience?
I hope you have fun with these new Pokeballs, and you might even catch a squirrel.
Okay, Godspeed everyone.
It's a lot of
Tune in,
Pokeballs.
subscribe. See ya.